cucumber.
You say? It doesn't even sound like it for me at all. Cucumber is cucumber. Which one is cucumber? Anyway, what does this long, round, thick green fruit does? What is the benefits? Well, cucumber does a lot depending on the context. Primarily, it is meant for eating through the mouth. I can only say otherwise for daughters of Zion who might want to experiment. I'm not judging at all. Okay, let's stay focused. Cucumber is a nutritious food with high water content that helps prevent dehydration. It's good for bone health. It helps prevent cancer. The fiber in cucumber can manage your cholesterol and even prevent cardiovascular problems. Not only that, it also prevents diabetes. It is good for your skin care. You see all those expensive toner cream that you spend money on? Sure. You just eat plant-based food such as cucumber and others for a month and thank me later. Sorry. Excuse me. Okay, bye. Wait. I beg. Do not forget to like this content. I'm new baje in this content creation team. And I promise I'm going to be dropping educational content every day. I'm sure you're going to find value in what I drop. So please, I beg you, please follow my content and also share to people that you think might benefit from it. Thank you. God bless.